大家好呀！今天呢，我们要讲的是雅思口语 Part 1的高频新题 housework and cooking。其实对于 P1 来说呢，很多时候 P1 它强调的是一种自然的聊天感，也就是说，大家在准备 P1 的时候是不需要让答案变得很刻意的那种很有深度的那种感觉。所以呢，大家也不需要去担心说，我的答案是不是不够正能量啊，不够积极。反而呢，一个比较有日常感的那种答案是比较好的一个答案。所以呢，我们就开始吧。
Do you do some cooking at home now?
Only occasionally. I mean, I am a great cook, but I don't usually clean up after myself, which is why I'm not exactly welcome in the kitchen. You know, my mom just doesn't like it when I make a huge mess in the kitchen. Like, I get grease everywhere whenever I cook.
Do you think your home is clean and tidy?
Yeah, but I wouldn't say it's spotless because there's always cat hair all over the house. You know, they just can't stop shedding. But it's definitely neat because my mom is, she just can't stand clutter. So she declutters the house every week and keeps it really organized.
Did you do some house cleaning when you were young?
Truth be told, I didn't grow up doing a lot of chores. You know, my childhood was a breeze. My parents never expected me to be useful around the house. Like, they were never like, you live here too, you have to pull your weight.
Do you have breakfast at home every day?
No, my mornings are usually very hectic. You know, I am always too rushed to physically sit down and have breakfast with my parents. So I normally just pack a sandwich for breakfast, and I feel like it's very easy to eat on the go.
Do you want to learn how to cook?
I guess so. I mean, I think it can be very empowering if I can get better at cooking. Like, I don't have to rely on takeout food or go to a restaurant whenever I have a craving. I can just look up the recipes online and whip up a meal in 20 minutes.
What housework do you like doing?
I've grown to like vacuuming a lot. I mean, I kind of love watching all the dust and dirt getting sucked up by my vacuum, which is oddly satisfying and therapeutic.
What housework do you dislike doing?
My least favorite chore would have to be doing dishes. I hate any chore that gets my hands dirty. So I usually don't do it until all the dishes eventually pile up and I get super stressed just by looking at them. 刚才的示范呢，就是我把自己带入成在读高中啊或者读大学，所以呢，希望那个答案对你们是有帮助的。然后呢，如果大家对 P1 有什么话题是没有思路的呢，或者说对 P1 有什么疑问的话呢，记得留言哦，拜拜。